guys, welcome back to another video with Legit Colleen. If this is your first time here, my name is Colleen and I show you videos on things you probably didn't know how to do already. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to save a video from Twitter, because I'm pretty sure you can only save pictures on there automatically to your camera roll. So I'm just going to take this video from AOC. You want to click the share button right there and copy the link. Then you're going to go into Safari and type in Twitter to MP4. MP4 is video format and MP3 is audio format, so make sure you don't get those mixed up. Then twittervideodownload.com is what I'm going to be using. You just want to paste the link there and download it. Then you want to go all the way down, and where the different sizes are at the bottom, just click one and download. Do not click the X because it'll take you out entirely. So click the second one that makes it minimize it, and then click the little X. Then you're fine. Then you want to click the upload or share button down here and scroll down, save to files. This will save this to the files app so you can rename it and put it in your designated area. So I'm going to save it in downloads. So then I'm going to go to my files app right there, and when I go to my iPhone, download the videos right there. So what you want to go to now is click the upload button at the bottom, scroll and click save video. So now it should be saved in your photo album, and for me it is right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please comment, like, share, turn on post notifications for more. I respond to any comments, so if you have any questions below, drop them, and any video ideas, I will literally do them, so you could just comment any of them. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye.